welcome to another video. So this is part 2 of my Aliexpress haul because the last one got a little bit too long. Like I normally do, I'm going to leave all the prices that I've paid in the corner of the screen, and you'll find all the links in my description box. So let's get cracking, shall we? So I've bought some Full Beauty spider gel. This is a black spider gel. Oh, and it's got the stupid foil on it. Bear with me one second, guys. I'll get this foil lid off. I think I've bought about 3 different spider gels now, and all of them have turned up and they're not spider gel. They're a gel paint, and they're not even a thick gel paint like that. But looking at this one, ooh, I think it is, you know. I think it is. It feels stringy. I'm excited. I've been wanting some of this for so long. And I kind of give up on buying it for a while because I was just sick of it turning up not being spider gel. Right. Bear with me one second. I'm just going to get a nail or something so we can try it out. So, do you know, I'm just going to do it on my nail. Sod it. Oh, look how stringy it is. Look. It actually is spider gel finally. I am a little bit excited, guys. This is going to make some of my work so much easier. Look how thin that is. Look at that. I'm going to be able to do super duper thin lines with this stuff. Hey! Finally, I've got one that works. Right, I just need to clean that up, else it's going to get everywhere. I've also bought myself another Full Beauty drill gem glue because I find this stuff absolutely amazing. It really does make my gems last ages. It comes with that little needle which stops it clogging. You've also got a brush as well. And I got that dirt cheap because I bought that out of the discounted coin section. So I thought, why not buy another one of those? What else we got? I bought one of these nail tip cutters, guys. I don't know how many of you struggle, but I'm always struggling to get my tips the exact same length. So that wheel goes on there like that. You slot your finger in there. And then you cut your tip, yeah? So what this does is, that will stop your finger getting as close to the blade. So that would give you a longer nail, and that would give you a shorter nail, because the blade's a lot closer to the tip of your finger. So it just ensures that all your nails are the same length. That is going to come in really handy. I'm not so bad when I'm cutting down tips, but it's when I come to do my nails and other people's nails, I can never seem to get them exactly the same. I don't know why. So yeah, great bit of kit that for me. Ooh, I forgot about this as well. This is, look at the colour. Look at that colour. That is such a nice colour. So this is an LED torch. You pop your batteries in the end here. So you pop your batteries in there. Takes 3 batteries. I'll be asked to go hunting for batteries right now, guys, or else I'd show you it working. So you pop that in there, you turn it on like that, off like that. But not only is it good for curing, say if you want to quickly zap your crystals or you want to zap your cuticle area when you're applying jewel forms and stuff, you also get this little stamper, and it's good for, you know, if you want to stick down sequins. You often get sequins and the edges stick up because they don't fit to the curve of your nail. I've even got a curving tool and I still find that they don't sit flat. So this ensures that it's going to sit flat and it's going to cure flat. So by the time it's cured, it can't move. These are really, really handy. I've also bought myself a couple of new nail art brushes. So this one comes in the protective tube, which I like. It's a double-ended brush. So on this end, you get a 3D brush for doing 3D nail art. And this end is a teeny tiny gel brush, which you can also use for 3D work as well, I guess. But I would probably use it for getting around my cuticle areas with gel. I like it. I like it a lot. So that's that one. And then I bought this one. Now this is the one that I am excited to try. Look at this. The only time you could get these brushes with that teeny tiny, can you see that little metal barrel there? So that keeps the bristles all together and nice and straight. The only time you could get brushes with that metal barrel on was if you used to spend a fortune on well-known brands. But as the months have gone on, Aliexpress have started bringing more and more out. I've got a couple of short detailer brushes, but I could never find a long liner brush until now. And look how long that is. I've got a feeling it's something like 30 millimeters. Is it 30 or 2? I don't know. But I shall let you know the length of that, guys, in my description box with the link. Look how fine it is as well. I am dying to try this. Dying to. It needs cleaning as well. It's got a little bit of glue in it. But yeah, I cannot wait to try that. I think that is going to be a great little brush, you know. I think it is. Now, I've had this brush sat about for so long, but I didn't want to do an Aliexpress haul until I'd got more stuff. So it's been sat there and I've been dying to try it, but I've been such a good girly. Oh, I bought some more crystals. I forgot about these. These are the mixed sized, and the colour of these is called Montana, which are a really, really dark blue. I'd say they're a little bit lighter than what my camera's showing, to be honest. A little bit, but they are very dark. I like them. And for the price, guys, look how shiny they are. They are really, really shiny. I just don't think you can go wrong at that price for some glass crystals. Then I bought some Venalisa clear jelly gel. I've been dying to try this clear. So I've only got one cheap clear builder gel. What I bought when I first started, and I don't really use hard gel. It's more for when I'm done a polygel set and I don't want to encapsulate with clear polygel, because some clear polygel can dull the glitter. So I like to encapsulate my glitter with builder gel. But the builder gel that I've got is a cheap one and it is naff, really naff. And I look at the pots of these, I love their pots. They look so professional, don't they? And they're not expensive either. So I'm dying to try that. Unfortunately, guys, from what I've heard, Venalisa products are no longer available on Aliexpress. Don't quote me on that, but I have tried to look for some more of these and I can't find any anywhere. So if any of you guys do come across any, please let me know. Hit me up with the links, please. And then last but not least is some more glitters. Now these are proper smart, guys. So these are from the Colours World, and Shell, Tracy, and I think it was Nina. We all went 4 ways on the 10-gram bags. So it worked out really cheap. Now 2.5 grams is plenty for me, let me tell you. Oh, the only thing is with these, it's Mylar, guys, and it is getting everywhere. And I mean everywhere. Poor old Tracy was the one that had to measure these out 4 ways. Bless her heart, and she was absolutely covered in the stuff. Yeah, and I can see why. It's stuck to the bag. It's everywhere. So, like I said, these are Chameleon Mylars. Look at those. And, you know, some Mylars are quite thick. This is super soft. It's going to sit lovely and flat on the nail. Really soft. Now, again, I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you these colours. I'm hoping so. So this is like a turquoise to a purple. Oh, please be able to see this. Yeah, can you see that? The shift on them is amazing to the eye. And like I say, 2.5 grams is a lot for Mylar because it is so fine and it is so light. There's a lot there. I'm never going to get through all that. So I would never buy 10 grams of it. So this is the pink to a silver. Really pretty. No, not going to be able to see it yet again, are we? No. That's probably my favourite. This one is a green to a gold. That one you can see clear as day. Oh, it's everywhere. This one is a green to a purple. Oh, and to a blue as well. Yeah, like that. It goes green to purple to blue, like a sapphire blue. That is stunning. Look at that one. That is really unusual. So it's like pinky purple to a greeny gold. Really smart, that is. The colour shifts are amazing on these. That one's not really got much of a shift on it. It's a nice colour though, really nice pinky colour. This one is a green. It's like a Christmas tree green, and it goes to a really light greeny gold. It's going to be smart for Christmas. Oh God, this stuff is getting everywhere. This one is like a kind of bronzy colour. Goes to a gold. This one's smart. I like this one. So that is like a purple, and it goes to a really pretty green. Look at the shift on that. I like that a lot. So cool. Oh, I like this one as well. I've got a Chameleon Chrome powder that matches this perfect. So it's a purple and it shifts to a turquoise. Look at that. Beautiful. That's a really nice blue to a purple. And then last but not least is this one. I think this is probably one of my favourites as well. So this is a blue. It's like a bluey purple, like a blurple. And it goes to black. Check that out. That is so smart. Really like that. That is proper smart. So that is the collection of 12. I just want to quickly tell you as well, guys, the Colours World on Aliexpress have got a website now, and he's starting to advertise all of his glitters in 3 gram bags. 3 grams, you know. Some of them are like $6. They're super cheap. Not really good for the bank, but amazing to build your collection up, because he has got some really, really unusual glitters. Amazing glitters, in fact. Nearly all of his hex mixes have not got the horrible big hexes in that you can't really do nothing with. Most of his hex mixes have got the medium hexes rather than the large ones. And they're all really unusual. They're the glitters that you just don't see floating about everywhere else. So what I'll do is I shall leave the link to his website in my description box. If anyone wants to head over there and check it out, you can do. I think that's everything, guys. My box is now empty. I sound sad, but I'm not sad, because now I can get to use everything. So excited to try these though. They're so fine, guys. Really, really fine. Love them. So like I said at the beginning, I shall leave all the links in my description box. Any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Also guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway very soon. I'm going through all my bits and pieces to try and put a giveaway together, because I'm trying to hit my 1K now. I'm getting closer and closer by the day. For those of you that's not subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you're not keen on notifications popping up from the channels that you subscribe to, you can turn them off so you're not getting notifications popping up left, right and centre. It's free and it just helps our channels grow. All your likes, all your comments, all of that helps our channels grow on YouTube. Even if you don't want to leave a comment, even if you just leave emojis, guys, even that counts as a comment. So anyone that's watching and doesn't want to leave me a comment, just leave me an emoji. I'd really, really appreciate that. I hope I've not come across beggy, because that's the last thing I want. I just really want to hit 1K now, guys. It feels so close, but yet so far. So yeah, I'm dying to get monetized now. I'd really appreciate your help with that. Thank you. Right, anyway, I'm going to let you guys get off. I've kept you far too long. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.